Welcome to Mom's Vlog. Welcome to Mommy's Vlog.
What?
Say it.
Mommy, I don't know how.
It's okay. What's this? You unbox it. Tell them what is that.
That's the camera.
It's a camera.
Yeah, it's the camera. Maybe so, put the cover.
Where are we gonna put the camera?
In
In the room. Where are we gonna put this? Inside our room.
inside the kitchen.
Where are we gonna put this?
In the kitchen.
No, in our room.
In our room.
Yes.
They have the paper
Why
on
do
there.
you want camera?
Because I want camera.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You like camera like mommy?
Uh-huh.
Yes? So are you ready to see it?
Yeah.
Actually, I ordered this 5 days ago. And
Yeah.
I don't know why it took so long. And
Yeah.
finally, July 3, it's here already. During Prime Day sale. Sit down, Lucas.
My
Sit down.
favorite.
So are you ready?
Yeah.
Are you happy?
Yeah, I'm happy.
What you gonna say to mommy?
Thank you, Mommy, for ordering the camera.
You're welcome. And now, close your eyes. It's a surprise. Are you excited? Let's see. Ta-da!
You have the papers on there.
It's a ring camera. He really requested
That the
to
paper
have a ring
inside?
camera in our room.
Is that the habit paper?
Yes,
The habit paper.
because he started watching CCTV cameras in
I
YouTube.
want eat this one.
And then, after that, he kept asking me to get him one of the ring camera. Actually, we don't need this. But, of course, sit down here, baby. Let's open it. I said you cannot eat ice cream.
Why?
Because, close your eyes.
You can't always close my eyes.
Wait.
Okay.
Ta-da!
Wow! Oh my goodness! Where is come from?
We ordered it on Amazon.
Oh!
So this is how it looks like. Let's see how
This small.
there's more. You need to plug it.
Need to plug it because they have a paper.
Yeah. I think we should put this on the wall.
Look, that's for paper.
Mm-hmm.
Look.
Let's show how we gonna do it.
Mommy, look, that's for the things. Why are not the things? Why do I like things?
Yes.
Why do you like the things?
It shows how you do it. Because we're gonna put it on the wall.
Okay, what this one?
So
So we need to put in the paper first and not first need to go here in the wall.
yung ano niya, kasama niya.
The camera!
And we're gonna check how to connect this to my phone.
Yeah.
And of course, there's the cable
Is
and
that the stickers?
yes.
Okay, we're gonna put stickers in the camera and
Yeah. Ayan, so you can put it on the table or you can screw it on the wall or ceiling.
may na
Show them. Okay, say bye.
Bye. Gonna turn on. Wait. Bye bye.
See you in our next vlog.
See